On the side of engineering aspects, Ford developed some nice in-house manufacturing tools like this wax nozzle that can be used to inject wax, but also foams and adhesives right to the areas where you need to apply these foams or waxes. This is engineered to really match the viscosity of the fluid transported through tiny holes, and it helps to design this tool exactly for where you want the fluid injected. Another engineering challenge was done by Renault on the Alpine car with this textured rear view mirror cover, where there is no rear view mirror in this small production series, but a very good looking, high quality finished car part that is engineered to fit where a rear view mirror would go.